Ka company Indian Oil ringkat ke jetre lang berketanat patok jong ke jela Meghalaya lane ke State Prisons Department. Haga arpoi tere guluber arja arpuar kelas zain ke Jinghikai haga Ialehkai karam bar ke volleyball na ke benda ki Koidi ki basa Hashilong District Jail. Kani ke long shibenta jaga jingthmu jaga company Indian Oil ban Jinghikai ki Koidi haga shipotli ki jela jong keri India. Yagani ke Jinghikai la play paj bado IG jo ketanat patok uba em kharkrang ringkat baru Executive Director jong ke Indian Oil Uji Ramesh. Habakran hakani ke sengi uba kharkrang ulong bakani kan yarap shiboni ki basa hakani ke jail banyo ek jingkoi jingkhia omtang hakaliang kamet kapat hindre hakabor jabi engru kumju.
This is a program which has been initiated by Indian Oil, and they are partnered together with a lot of prisons throughout the country, and they have also chosen Meghalaya prisons also. So this, we are launching it here today, and this will be taken up with the other prisons also. So we will see that this will be carried forward to the other prisons also. And right now, as far as I know, they will be starting with coaching of carom board and volleyball. But we have left it to the inmates themselves, because the thing is, we really don't want to insist on them, and we want to make it as a choice. I mean, if any one of them wants to be a coach in these the sports activities, we will take them in. And right now, probably we are looking at around about 70 to 75 of them at the first phase. So this will continue for about a month or so, and we would like to request IOC also, in case after that also, if more of the inmates also are willing to be trained, then please carry forward.